welcome back everybody. That was not meant to be in the video, but I already... Okay, and let's restart this. Welcome back everybody, and it's Mellow for Life here, and I hope you're enjoying watching this awesome video with random people gifting me, because I'm trying to save up gifts for mail time, so... Yeah, I don't know that's fine. I don't want... Hi! Take that. I don't know if they're gifting me good stuff. They just keep gifting me. Oh, okay. I'm literally not going to say anything. And I may just give them this awesome thing again. Anyway, I'm not going to be gifting them in this video. I might pause if they keep doing this because... Yep. Done. Okay, anyway. So, today I'm going to be explaining what my wall is all about. And this is the whole reference of the video, so we're going to go ahead and put aside everything else and just talk about my wall. Let's go ahead and get into this. Yeah. Sorry, that must be my dishwasher. Anyway, so my wall is long, but you can start reading that. I'm going to go ahead and read that out loud. I have some awesome 41. How many people like to gift me one? And 102 like on that. Okay, I did not make that, and I did not make that, but I did make that. Okay, I actually made that today. Stylish. No, that was yesterday. Okay, so my wall is all about people who got scammed, and I'm trying to help. So I said, did you just get scammed? And I said, are you tired of people saying it's just pixels? Please comment what you lost, and I will try to get it for you. Now this may take some time. So what I'm asking when I'm talking about this is if I'm going to read all of these comments, and if you have anything and you have a whole bunch of them and you could get it back for them, not headdresses, because I said I unfortunately cannot get back headdresses or black longs. But if you have anything, you can gift it to me and then I gift it back to them. Or you can gift it directly to them if they're a member, but they're not a member. So you go ahead and gift it to me and I'll trade to them. That would really help. So, Wolf Ox lost his long spiked wristband. She lost a pink long from live, like a live giveaway probably. Yeah. She lost her pink long. He lost a headdress, but in place of headdresses, he's already... Okay, he's okay with long. Wait, did he play today? One day ago. Okay. And then ignore that Mellow Life said she can't replace HDs. This person lost 2 warts with Tess, blue long, and purple HD. Okay, so there's nothing I can do about her HD, and there's nothing, I'm not expecting you guys to gift me a headdress to give to her. If you actually do that, I will literally be so shocked. I'll be like, I said I'm sorry so many people lost that. I'm trying to get it so loud. Purple long, candy wall, and more green shirt, short, and nerd glasses. Took nerd's sword, and she is proof. And she said, really miss my HD, not lying. Okay, nerd glasses. Don't go around. Okay, I deleted what they said. Somebody said, you know, people are going to use this to lie, and I'm just hoping they're not, because, okay, she will try to help. Okay. Skunk tail. Arctic wolf. Rad 018 lost their green short wrist. Spike. That's yellow, so I guess a yellow spike. Doesn't state if it's rare. This is an off small. The blue monkey 19. Let's probably get that. Lost a blue long months ago and a purple short collar. And second, I lost 3 tiny shells. And I'm pretty sure most people are telling lies. XD. Okay. I don't know if they are. Let's just hope not. Okay, and then I said this, if this is basically what I'm going over in this video right now, is if you can donate any of the things people are asking, then thank you for your help. And BTW, I'm trying to make jam out of that place. I don't know. Not really. Anyway, I don't know actually how I just said that. Lost my black worn, non-member sword and pink short, blue long and pink short, sunshine. Oh, okay. This is sweet. Okay. No, that's fine. Lost purple wall. Okay. Yellow short and beta tail armor, and he cried. Green short. Oh my goodness, there's so much. Green straw hat, and she didn't ask for anything else. Mirror glasses. Peacock tail. Oh, and this is my channel. Mellow for life. I have to spell it out like that though. Nice art. I lost a den beta, a short black wrist, and a pink short collar. I lost my blue straw hat from Airhead Twin Fire. Thank you, Fire. If you do get one, you're a very nice jammer. On trade, I'll give you my beta chair. I don't want his beta chair. He didn't like giving it to me. I don't want it. So I probably would decline because I don't really need donations. I don't need donations for myself. I need donations for them. Not for me. And all the mail times that I'm going to do, I'm going to use all that stuff. So, for these people. Thanks, you're making Java a better place. I don't know yet. I haven't gotten back much. Green long. Hours ago. It's fine if you can't get it. Thanks so much. Love your art. Okay. Thank you for saying that. Can you help me or no? Neon bow and 2 white diamond spikes. So you know the one I had that I was wearing around my neck? That's what she's talking about. Whole prank armor set. A blue, okay, so like a short spike, you know the bluish that you can't really tell if they're blue or not? A spike wristband, I guess? I don't know. And, a pink short eyeball hat and nerds, but that was a long time ago. Okay. Hey, Mello, you got a spike. I'm so happy for you. Oh, this is my buddy. Oh, you're so kind. I'm not gonna tell her I'm recording because I don't think she likes when you're recording. Thank you for. It's not long, but it's color. About what? Okay, so I asked her to trust me. And I guess, something happened. I guess it's okay. Let's see if she does, though. Could you do it now? Somebody was in my bed. Okay. Probably not. I don't think. I honestly don't. She's trying. May I? I don't know if she made us do all this again. That's cute. I have that. I don't know how big deal this is, but I'm just typing this out. Anyway. Oh, that's awesome, look, girl. Awesome mannequin. Mannequin. How do you even say that? This is cute. Okay. Anyway. Fine. So yeah, should we open them? Okay, I'm just gonna open them right now, I guess. So let's do this thing because I really wanna like help. So these people did not know that they were helping with this, but now they do. Okay. That's so rare. Thank you. Feels so weird when I say that's so rare. Oh, this actually is kind of rare. It is a rare Gemality Angel. How come everybody keeps sending me beautiful necklaces? I love this. Yay! Okay, do you remember the last time when I like totally freaked about this? Well, now I lost mine, so thank you so much, actually. Ashley. Did I say Ashley? I meant to say actually. Oh, thank you. Rare panda hat, I believe. I normally recycle rares because they give you lots. Oh, left. How come everybody does those? They all gift it and then... Thank you. I'm sorry, I was silent. Just silent. 4 left, I think. Oh, nice! Beta sword. I believe that's beta. I could be. I don't know what a rare moon hat is worth, but thank you. That's an epic scar hat that I sent him. I think I sent him that. For Sarky. Okay, I did send him that. Anyway, let's go ahead and give shoutouts to these people. Wolvenair. Nair. Whoa, they're rare. Anyway, we won't go over how rare you are, person. And let's just say, congrats to him. Oh, Sam. I don't know how to say that. I'm sorry. Honestly, don't. Wait, we could offer for his wrist. He just logged off. No, he didn't. Okay. I was like, oh my goodness. Okay, I actually love this. Ice, please. Ice. Do you have short wrist? Okay. Not you. I have no clue what that means. Okay. I give up. That person. I honestly don't know what the problem was. Anyway, so thank you so much. I see giveaway my den, and I'm like totally on this. Let's go. I'm taking this as an opportunity to say gift me. I back always. And I want you guys to see this happen live. I have one of those things in my den. Awesome. This is awesome. I only have like a little bit of time left, like 2 minutes. So somebody. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. She had to switch up. Anyway, bye. See you guys later in another video. I want to zoom into that awesome. Look at that awesome look right there. Look at that. Okay, never mind. I have to switch it right back to where it was. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and bye.